Hello, my dear students. I am Rohan Sir from Mehdi English Medium School. I welcome my all dear third standard students in today's science class. My dear students, before I show you what is the objective and what are we going to do today, I kindly request you all to take one paper and one pencil with you. I repeat, before I show you what are we going to do today, I request you all to hold a pencil and a paper along with you. So, you have the time to take out paper and pencil till I explain you what are we going to do today. So, just take out your paper and pencil, and yes, so what are we going to do today? That is always I tell you before the starting of the lecture so that you can get ready mentally with the content. So today is your oral test of objectives. That means the oral test, like I always take in the class, I always take the oral test after 10 to 15 days of the lecture so that I can just get the feedback of the students individually, that how much have they understood with the content. As students, you know, we have been revising it in different ways. Like first I gave you the theory part, then I gave you the revision, second time I gave you the revision, third time I gave you the extra knowledge about the lessons, and so on. So today I thought that I need to take the test of you all, at least for objectives, so that if not me, at least you will come to know how much do you remember. So you will say, sir, you are not here, how can you take the oral test? But I know, students, I am not there in front of you. Still I have faith on you that you are going to maintain this loyalty and you are going to give this test honestly. So let us just go through the format. What is the format of this oral test? First of all, it is very much necessary for you all to listen to my questions carefully, so that I will request you all, even if you are watching it on your television screens, please turn on or put on the volume so that you can listen to my questions and read it very carefully. Now, instructions. 3 main instructions I wanted to give you. Read questions properly. So I will give you 2 to 3 seconds, in which meantime I will also read the question so that you will be able to understand. Wherever necessary, I will even explain you the questions. Second point is answer within given time. So I will give you the particular time in which you have to answer in that much time only. So make sure you do not take more than that. And you will say, sir, some students will answer after you display the answers on the screen. But then the third point I have written is be loyal to your studies. Means if you are not giving proper answer, you are not becoming loyal to yourselves. So the loss is yours, not ours. So make sure when I ask you that please speak the answers at that spot, whatever you feel, you have to speak the answers. Though you are at home, you have to speak the answers. And now the reason why I asked you to hold the paper and the pencil is, you can note down your score on your own. Yes, you will put the score for you yourselves. Yeah, like if you have the paper, if your one answer is right, you can just write 1 mark. If your 2 answers are right, you can write +1, or the way you want to calculate. In short, one question contains 1 mark only. Okay, and this is the test of lesson 1 and 2 only. In the next lecture, we will move on to 3 and 4 lesson. So, you will be given 2 to 4 seconds to speak the answer. Make sure you note down your score. Means with every answer, you write the marks you get. If your one answer is right, you write 1. Another answer is right, you write +1. So each answer is of 1 mark. Okay. So let us start without wasting much of our time. First part is of fill in the blanks. So make sure when I ask you the question and when I ask you to speak the answers, you have to speak it within 2 to 4 seconds, and then I'll display the answer. Okay, for the test, for the first part, the first question is, animals such as dash eat plants as well as flesh of animals. I repeat the question. Animals such as dash eat plants as well as flesh of animals. So you have to write one animal which eats the flesh as well as the plants. So I'll give you 2 to 3 seconds for your answer. Okay, so I think you already spoke the answer. Now just when I display the answer, write your score. If it is wrong, write 0. If it is right, write 1. So the correct answer is beer. So now you will be confused, sir, if I have taken another name. Okay, if you say eagle and other animal, other omnivorous animals, if you have said any other animal's name which eats plants as well as the animal's flesh, it is okay. You can verify that answer with your textbook, and then you can put the scores accordingly. So here I have put one answer. As I have to display the answers, I have put one out of many omnivorous animals, that is beer. Moving on to the next question. Rabbits, rats and squirrels dash their food. I repeat the question. Rabbits, rats and squirrels dash their food. What do they do with their food? That exactly the question is. Do they throw away? No, obviously not. So how do they eat the food? That is what the question exactly is. So I'll give you again 2 to 3 seconds. I hope that you are giving the answer, and if you already have said the answer, here I am going to display the answer now. So please carefully look onto the answer, and if your answer is wrong, put 0, and if your answer is right, put 1 mark. So no, GNAW, no. Okay, if you have pronounced it incorrectly, but still if you know the spelling, if you knew the answer, okay, you can put 1 mark. Okay, but make sure its pronunciation whenever you are speaking, it's no, like N-O, no. G-N-A-W is also no. So G and W are silent. So rabbits, rats and squirrels know their food. So this is how they eat their food, with the small bites and swiftly. If you have seen the rabbits and squirrels anywhere eating. So if you have said no, your answer is right, you put 1 mark. Third question. Dash have very sharp pointed teeth to tear their food. I repeat the question. Dash have very sharp and pointed teeth to tear their food. So you have to write the type of animals which have teeth, pointed teeth and sharp teeth, and which are able to tear their food with the teeth. I'll give you again 2 to 4 seconds to speak the answer. Okay, so I think you already have spoke the answers. You have now you have the answer with you, at least your answer. So now let's see what the correct answer is. The correct answer is carnivores. So if you have said this answer, carnivores, put 1 mark in your paper, and if not, put 0 mark. So be loyal. See, even if you will put 1 mark, if you have given me the wrong answer, and if you put 1 mark, okay, the loss is yours and not mine. So already I said be loyal to your studies. Okay, so carnivores is the correct answer, and if you said this answer, put 1 or else put 0. Moving on to the fourth blank. dash swallows its food whole. Now let me explain you this. Some of you might not be knowing this meaning, though I have explained it several times while explaining you question answers, yet couple of students do not know what it means. So let me explain you. Swallow its food whole means to gobble it up without chewing it with the teeth. So without using teeth, you eat it. So what happens? You cannot chew it. You directly have to gobble it up. You have to swallow it. That is called to swallow the food. Correct? Without the help of teeth, if you eat, it is called to swallow. So dash swallows its food whole. Now you have to write that particular animal. So I'll give you 2 to 4 seconds again to speak your answers. Okay, I think many of you have given the answers. Many of you are still speaking. Good, excellent. Let's see what the correct answer is. According to me, the example which I have written here is a snake. Means that here you can write any animal who gobbles their food, who swallows their food. I have written snake, though if you have written another animal which you know swallows its food, it is okay, but the answer should be correct. You cannot say rabbit swallows its food. No, then your answer is incorrect. So even if you have written snake or any other animal who swallows their food, if you have written other animals, you can check your answers with textbook and then you can put the score. So if you have written correct answer, put 1. If you want to check the answers and you have to leave the space, you can leave the space. And if you have written rabbit, if you have written squirrels, then the answers are wrong, then put 0, please. Okay, so here according to me, snakes swallow its food whole. Moving on, 5th one, we should use the dash crossing while crossing the roads. I repeat the question, we should use the dash crossing while crossing the roads. So while you cross the roads, what do we have to use? If you remember students, if you have watched my previous video lectures, you must be knowing that what thing we have to use while crossing the roads. Correct? There was a particular path, particular part of the road from which you have to cross the roads when the traffic stopped. I even showed you the picture for that. So I'll give you 2 to 4 seconds to think and speak your answers. Okay, I think you have given the answers, and see, even if you don't give the answers, you are sitting there, don't put the scores please, then put 0 only, because only if you give the answer and your answer is correct here on the screen, only then you have to put 1 mark. Anyways, the correct answer is zebra. So we should use the zebra crossing while crossing the roads. If you remember students, now those whose answer is incorrect, it is okay, you got to learn. Those whose answer is correct, put 1 mark in your paper. So students, if you remember, while I was explaining you question answers, I showed you the picture of zebra crossing and subway. Correct? If you haven't watched it, go back to the chat in the WhatsApp. The links are already there. You can watch the videos so that you will get the knowledge, precise knowledge, because half knowledge is harmful. So if you have written this answer, if you have given me this answer zebra, then your answer is right, put 1 mark, or else put 0. And see, if you have given me the answer subway, see, it is right, but here dash crossing, it is mentioned dash crossing. So subway crossing is not the correct answer. So zebra is the only answer, no other answer is there for it, no alternative is there. Moving on to 6th one, we should give dash care to an injured person. I repeat the question, we should give dash care to an injured person. So what kind of care do we have to give to injured person? Injured means the person who has got wound or who has just met sudden accident. So what kind of care do we have to give them? So I'll give you 2 to 4 seconds to think over. Okay, and I think you have already thought about your answers. So let's see what is the correct answer here. immediate. See, I gave you the hint while I was explaining you the question. I gave you the sudden. Sudden means immediate. It's one and the same. So this word will only be accepted in the answer. If you say sudden, no. Immediate care will only be accepted. So if you have given any other answer, please put 0. If you have only given this answer immediate, put 1 mark. See students, I have already given you the objectives and subjectives PDF in your group. So please make sure you give the precise answer. So moving on, 7th one, we should use an dash cream to wipe cuts and wounds. So which kind of cream? See, the name is not asked, the type of the cream is asked, which is applicable on the cuts and wounds to cure the cuts and wounds, to heal it. So I'll give you 4 seconds again to think about your answers. I hope that you are speaking the answers, you are speaking the correct answer, you are giving me the correct answers. Okay, so you might be excited to get the correct answer. Let us see what the correct answer is. Correct answer is antiseptic. Correct? See, if you don't know how to speak this, and even if you are knowing this spelling and something like this word, then also you can put 1 mark, not to worry. I understand that this word is bit complex for couple of students, not for all, but for few students it is very much difficult to pronounce this one. It is okay. The pronunciation is antiseptic. So if you have given me this answer, you can put 1 mark or else 0. So we should use an antiseptic cream to wipe cuts and wounds. It is always there in the first aid box. If you remember our lessons, the first aid box contains antiseptic creams, Dettol, scissors, bandages, etc., etc. So this is the correct answer. Moving on, part 2. So successfully part 1 is over of your test. Now we are moving on towards the part 2 of your test. I hope that you have put the perfect scores. You have not cheated yourselves, because if you put 100 out of 100, it is your loss. If you put 1 out of 100, it is your profit, because whatever score you are getting, only that you should put. I hope that even parents are supporting you. Now part 2, give 2 examples. Now here for one question 2 examples you have to give. So it is basically like give the answers in 2 words only. So here also multiple replacements will be there, multiple options will be there. So I'll explain you, not to worry. Let's start with part 2. Get ready. Again you will be having 2 to 4 seconds to speak the answers, and make sure you note down the scores after each answer, after I explain you that what will be the correct and what will be the incorrect answer. First question, let me read it for you. Animals that eat plants as well as flesh of other animals. So this is very easy if you have attended the first blank. So here you have to give 2 examples for such animals which even eats plants as well as the flesh of other animals. I'll give you 4 seconds to think and answer. Okay, I think many of you might be shouting, many of you might be answering. Okay, these are the omnivorous animals. Let me tell you, for your information, for your kind information, omnivorous only eats plants as well as flesh. So let's see according to me which answers I have kept here, and even if you have written the alternative, what should be the correct. Crow and bear. So see, crow and bear are the 2 examples which I have given. If you have given 2 other examples other than these 2 which are again omnivorous, then you can count 1 mark. But if you have taken the animal which falls into the category of herbivorous or carnivorous, please kindly put 0 mark. Okay, now after these many lectures, you should know what is herbivores, what is carnivores, and what is omnivores, isn't it so? So if you have learned the answer, if you by hearted the answer, and if you have written this answer, well and good. If you have written any other thing, any other animals, any other two animals which are again omnivorous, then your answer is right, or else 0 mark. Okay, so crow and bear here is the correct answer. Moving on, second question, let me read it for you first. Animals that chew the cud. See, carefully listen to me and understand this question with before giving the answer. Animals that chew the cud. Now you know the meaning of cud, yes or no? Cud means the food which animals eat after bringing it back from inside to the mouth and chewing it back and then again digesting it. This is the outline I am giving you, because exactly if I explain you, I know that you will give the correct answer. So 2 to 4 seconds again for you to think and give me the answers. Okay, I hope that you were speaking the answers, you were giving me the answers, and you are ready to write your scores. And let's see. Cows and buffaloes. So these are two animals who chew their cud, correct? So if you have written any other animals like goat and etc., please check your answers with textbook, because you should only pick up the names which were there in the question answers and which were there in the two example answers. So if you have written cows and buffaloes, put 1 mark or else put 0 mark. And like I said, be loyal to yourselves, because I have explained you each and everything. What is the meaning of chew, what is the meaning of cud, and which animal does it. Everything is being explained, even with extra information. So if you have written any other answer, kindly put 0 mark. If you have written cows and buffaloes, put 1 mark. Moving on to the next question. So let me read it for you first. Animals that know. Okay, so if you have read the questions of fill in the blanks, which was in the first part of this lecture, you should know at least one example. See, also if you, out of 2 examples, if your one example is right and one is wrong, you can put half mark. Sorry, I did not inform you that, but that is very much obvious. You are smart enough to understand it, even if I have not informed. So animals that know. Know means know their food. So I'll give you 2 to 4 seconds to think and speak. Okay, let's see what the correct answer is. First I have written is rats and rabbits. Okay, so rats, rabbits, squirrels, these all things were given in the first part in the fill in the blanks itself. So it is very much necessary. So that is the only reason why I read the question 2 times, so at least you will understand and remember the questions, because maybe the first part the question will be the answer in the second part. Okay, so rats and rabbits. Even if you written rabbit, squirrel, even if you written rats, squirrels, okay, that is the correct answer. And other animals who know their food, and if you know that they know their food, they don't swallow, then your answer is correct, or else it is incorrect. So if you written this answer, put 1 or else 0 marks. Fourth one, animals that suck their food through a tube. I repeat the question, animals that suck their food through a tube. Now you should know that which animal does it. Correct. You have gone through every kind of animal and you know this answer very well, because I have explained you this answer with pictures as well. So I'll give you again 4 seconds to think and speak your answers. Okay, I hope that you have been eagerly giving me the answers. You have been giving me the answers, and let's see what the correct answer is. Mosquito and butterfly. See, mosquito, how? If mosquito sits on your skin, what happens? They bite you, and that is bite for us, but they actually just like a needle, they just suck our blood from their tubes. They just insert their teeth and they suck, which is the teeth is like a tube, and they suck our blood. That is why we feel like itching once we draw the mosquito off our skin. So mosquito and butterfly, you know, they sit on the flowers and they drink the juices which is there inside the flower. Correct? So mosquito and butterfly. If you have given this answer, even if you have written, bees also does the same. So if you have written either of these answers, then put 1 mark, or else put 0 marks. And I hope that most of you have written the correct answers, because this is what I have explained you several times, not just once or twice. Isn't it so? Okay, moving on. 5th question is, animals that use their tongue to lap up water or milk. Again, this is what I have explained you several times. Animals that use their tongue to lap up water or milk. So using their tongue, they drink water and milk. So they have the sip of water and milk using their tongue. So which are those animals? Just think about it. I'll give you 4 seconds to think and give the answers. Okay, so I think you are speaking the answers and you are giving me the correct answers. Many of you might not be giving the correct answers. Okay, that is okay. Let us see. Here I have given 2 examples, dogs and cats. Correct? So dogs, cats, lion, tiger, they also does the same, because lion, tiger are from the family of cats only. They are called big cats. Isn't it so? I have already said while I was explaining you the extra lecture, in the extra data I was giving you, in which I showed you the picture of tiger and lion who are lapping up, even the dog, they are lapping up, how they drink milk and water. Even you must be knowing this, because dogs and cats are like domestic animals. Yes, you even keep them as a pet. So this is very much known, familiar to you. So if you have written either of these answers, you can put 1 mark in your paper, or else put 0 mark. And make sure you put it in one line properly, so that at the end you can just calculate your scores, how many scores or how much have you scored in total. Correct? And if you have got 0, at least write it, don't mark it empty, so that if you can just write the total questions, total number of questions. Moving on to the 6th question. Sharp objects that can cause injury. I will give you 2 seconds to think. Okay, let's see what the correct answer is. Knives and scissors. Even if you have written any other sharp object which can cause injury, it is okay, like screwdriver and many more things which are sharp and pointed, which are there at our houses. So if you have written correct, write 1, or else put 0 marks. Moving on to 7th one, colors of the traffic lights. Now here I will give you the hint. There are 3 colors. You can write any 2, that is your choice, but please don't beat the bushes. At least you should know which are those 3 colors, and out of them you can pick any 2 colors. So I'll give you 2 to 3 seconds to think and answer. Okay, I think you have already given the answer. Let's see what the correct answer here is. Red and green. So red, yellow and green are the 3 colors. If you have given any 2 colors here in the answer, it is okay, your answer will be counted as a correct answer. So you can put 1 if you have written either of these 3, red, yellow and green, or if you have said any other color like blue, purple, please kindly put 0 marks. 8th question, things found in the first aid box. Now this is what you should give me the quick answer about. I already said in this lecture. So I'll give you 2 seconds to think. Okay, I hope that you have given me the answer. Let's see which things have I mentioned here. Cotton and bandage. You can mention scissors, you can mention antiseptic creams, Dettol, etc., etc. are there in the first aid box. So those things if you have mentioned, put 1 mark, or else put 0 marks. So students, that is the end of part 2 also. Thank you for watching the video, and hope that you all have given this oral test without any help of elder sister, brother, parents, etc., etc. And I'll come with the test of 3rd and 4th lesson in the next lecture. Till then, thank you for appearing for this test. I hope that you were loyal to yourselves. Goodbye, take care.